So this is a new Great Wall Motors P8 2-litre turbo diesel that I got on review this week. Cannonball at the front. Apparently the Chinese say that means power. It does kind of look a little bit like an XLT Ranger, but not quite. But you can see some of the design cues have been taken from that truck. You could argue that they got a better engine in here, but it really does turn a few heads. It's a new Bakkie on the market. People are interested in it. We're going to give it a little run this week, so watch out for that review only on Africa Sideways. It also looks quite Ranger-esque, but not quite. They've almost taken the Ranger and made it better. I mean, it's a big statement. But just from first impressions, the one thing I don't like is it's almost got too much tech. It's got sort of a very active cruise control that is almost like semi-autonomous driving. It controls the steering wheel and cruise control, so a lot of the time you're fighting the steering wheel. It's got all the sensors in the world, so if you're into sensors and tech, this has really got it all. If you don't like a lot of beeping, I'd tend towards the base model of this, but the rest of it feels well made. This gear lever reminds me of a Merc gear lever, so they've kind of taken the best and put into this Bakkie, which you can't really argue with. I'm very surprised with the torque on this and the speed on this engine. For a big truck, it certainly goes.